Why are you wearing glasses? Do you have poor eyesight?
No. I bought them because I'm in my basic
Okay,
bitch
so they're not working if you do that.
Yeah, I know. So I'm in my basic bitch New Year, new me
on your health,
era.
yeah,
oh my
January,
God, wellness.
February.
Like I'm an Oura Ring girly now. So I've been tracking my sleep and I'm in competition with myself. And I don't
That's
think...
really unhealthy. I'll send you a podcast.
I don't think it's realistic to not look at my screen or any screen for an hour before bed. Like, how boring. What am I supposed to do?
Read a book. Oh, but a lot of people read on.
Even then a Kindle.
But
I know
Kindle
it's better.
has, the dark thing.
But like, it's boring. I don't want to do that. So I just thought, you know what though? I will get blue light glasses.
Yes, good.
And I feel really smart in them, so I'm just wearing them at the moment. But I do not need them, and I also don't like them. They feel awful.
Most of your
and
devices you can turn on blue light thingy. But when I started wearing glasses, they're like, okay, great. That's, $99. Do you want anti-glare? Yes. Do you want blue light? Yes. Do you want this? Okay, that's a $10 billion. So,
well, these were $10. So
yeah. So as long as you've got good eyesight. Anyway, we are not an ophthalmologist podcast. Although the other week I recommended a fantastic serum.
Made by an ophthalmologist.
Actually, just popped it on.
So first up, we've got a question from Virginia. That's why you just said my sister's name is Virginia. I was like, what, are you just telling me a random fact? I know that your sister's name is Virginia. I didn't actually know that. I thought it was Gin.
Yeah, we call her Gin. Or
Ginny.
When she assigns Gin C, it looks like Giny, so I call her Giny.
Yeah, Giny. Anyway, Virginia has asked, not sister of Leigh, this is the year I plan to style my hair more than once every 3 months. It's what I'd call medium length and pretty straight. I think it has a slight wave or maybe it's just a bit of frizz. Do you have any fairly fast hairstyles I can try or methods that will help me leave the house not hating my hair that won't take 45 minutes? Thanks, lovely ladies. Can I just say thank heavens? Because when I first read this question, I obviously didn't read it properly. And I thought she said, won't take more than 45 minutes. And I was like, I could do... if a hairstyle ever took me 45 minutes, absolutely not.
I would rather. I could do everything. No, absolutely not. Virginia, we can help you, but to a degree. I mean, if it was that simple to have like the most flawless hair in 3 minutes, everyone would. It depends on your hair type, which you've given us info. Ooh,
yeah.
We disagree.
I actually disagree. I think that you're forgetting about your hair treatment that you've had a few times that you bang on about.
Well, mine's fully grown out now. I agree, but... She says she's got relatively straight hair, bit of wave, bit of frizz. It depends on your expectations. It's still not going to look like a bouncy blowout, but it won't have the frizz.
No, but it won't look like my hair in its natural state is a woolly lion's mane that just looks awful.
No, I didn't mean that. I mean,
no, it is true. So I would benefit a lot from that treatment if I made the appointment.
I'll take you because I need to get mine done again.
Because then I would be able to wake up and it would just be a lot more effortless.
Totally.
So something like that.
I did think of that. I mean, I think she sounds like she's got lovely hair. I just think, firstly, like I said, expectations, because if everything was super fast and amazing, we'd all be supermodels. Not really, but you know what I mean. But I do have a few ideas. I guess mine's, here's what I've prepared earlier. I love a slick back hairstyle, but for me, it's always better if I'm at the beach, I just don't care, or like beach holiday. But if I'm going somewhere that's like casual but not coastal, I like the center part because it feels more purposeful. Whereas the other one's kind of just, my hair is dirty. I don't know. I just like the center part. Normally I would do an earring with the center part and then it just feels like a whole vibe.
Yeah.
But see, my roots need doing. So then that's a whole nother thing. And I have the world's weirdest hairline. So I don't often do this.
Okay, you don't?
Oh, my God, I do. Look at it. It's like I've got a tiny...
Oh, God, it's just your hairline.
Anyway, but I like that on parts. Just try a different part. I know that sounds crazy, but just switch it up. Because oftentimes as well, your hair will get oily the place you normally part it. So just try something different. And also because the hair hasn't... There's a scientific way to explain this, but I don't know how. But because the hair hasn't laid that way, it'll naturally be like, whoa, and be a bit more voluminous.
Yes.
Another option. Can you do it on the go? The reason I asked that is I heard Amy Clark talking about doing her makeup on the bus, and I'm wondering if you're driving a vehicle, if you're commuting, if you can somehow do a little bit on the go. I do safely. So I have a few cordless heat tools. As we know, my GHD cordless that I then gave to Tegan. Then I bought the Kmart one. It was a journey. So there's a few that I actually think are really great depending on what you want to do. There's this teeny tiny one. It looks like it's like really little, like a little disc, and it's just got like a domey like prongs that heat up. And so it's literally just to kind of like comb down the flyaways. It's phenomenal.
Oh,
yes.
That's so cool.
Yes. There's heaps on Amazon. So jump in Amazon Australia and then search 4 stars or higher, and you'll see all the reviews. God, I love reading Amazon reviews. They're so
some
much
people
fun.
are so funny.
Yes. And then I've also got a Lady Jane one that I got at Priceline probably 3 years ago that's still going strong. So because I can sort of mostly air dry, I'll do that. And then if I'm a passenger, no problem, I'll do that. If I'm driving, I usually do it at my location. Like at my girls' Christmas lunch, I had my GHD in my bag. Have you tried? I love how I'm asking you like you're her. Have you?
She does sound like me, to be fair.
Well, and your hair looks glorious. Have you tried an air dry balm or serum? My friend Virginia, they're really bloody good. If you've got your hair type where it's, got a bit of a wave, bit of texture, but a little bit of frizz as well, they're so good for that. If you're really curly and coily and want, really uniform curls, I'm not sure. My 2 favorites, well, my favorite's really expensive, the R+Co Cool Wind pH Perfect Air Dry Cream. It's phenomenal. Every time I put it in my hair, and I know it kind of helps with my hair type, but people go, wow, how do you get those undone waves? And I'm like, literally get out of the shower and put that on. Orbe does a really good one. And the other one that's affordable and great, 2 of my girlfriends with the best hair swear by it, is the John Frieda Air Dry Waves. It's like a mousse. I know. Should she just shampoo the front? I used to do that because I had a fringe.
I would just use a dry shampoo though.
Yeah, but she doesn't have a fringe. I used to just put that back and then just like literally wash that in the sink and blow dry, and it looks like you've blow dried your whole hair.
Oh,
do you know what I mean?
Couldn't you just do that with like a water mist though, so you don't have to wash the whole thing? It just sounds like a lot of work.
How oily because I'm oily, and so of course I went and got myself this was a long time ago, but like a blunt, thick fringe. So then it would
I cannot imagine a world in where that looked good.
Oh no, because also that's when my face was Bert Newton in a lovely way, but I had a lot
now you still do have big,
Kelly,
full cheeks, and I just can't imagine.
I will show you a photo. So I had a very thick black fringe to there, and I'm oily, so it was just stuck to my head. So that was a good time, but I really enjoyed it, so I had it for years. So what I would do is just put the back, and then literally just shampoo the front and blow dry it.
Okay.
Makes your whole hair. It worked. What else have we got?
Well, I was wondering if she's ever tried heatless curls.
Oh.
Well,
yes.
you're not a fan.
My hair hasn't been long enough. It's getting there now.
Yeah, this is, I'm assuming heatless curls will only work if your hair is longer than your shoulders.
And where she's saying medium, to me that could be there or there.
No, I always consider medium
Is yours medium?
No, mine's very short.
Not very short. Ours is the same now. But yes.
It's a bob, though.
Lob.
Really? That's a lob?
Yes. When I had it there, mine was a bob.
Oh, I would.
I mean, I don't
considered
know.
That.
Could you fit a heatless curl in now?
Yes, but I wouldn't because I would look like Shirley Temple.
Well, yes. Remember before Christmas, I tried something with Velcro rollers and I looked like a flying mum.
I would definitely, if your hair's like longer, medium to on the longer side of medium, try heatless curls because then you can sleep in it and it is 5 minutes and they actually look really good once you get the knack of it.
Yeah.
I
or
love
just Velcros, like around the house for a bit.
I love braids. I always do braids. It's just effortless and it looks like you've put way more effort in. It takes a couple of minutes after you get the hang of it. Practice makes perfect
and
with something like a braid.
And that 3-second hairstyle you taught us that time.
It's on my list. The twisty twist.
Could you do that now with your hair this length?
I sure could. In fact, would you like me to do it?
Yes, because I need to know now my hair's getting longer. You're going to have to watch on YouTube, everybody, because this is very visual. Oh, it looks good with your glasses. Oh, so it's not a braid. Oh, I can do that. May I ask before you finish that, do you pin that hair elastic? How do you keep it back?
With a bun. Or you can pin it, but with a bun.
What do you mean? How do you hold the bun?
With a hair tie.
Okay, good. One more thing that I used to think was really daggy until last year, and now I love it. Half up, half down.
You thought that was daggy?
Well, it was like I did it a lot in school. I thought it was like me in my 40s trying to look 18.
Okay, I thought that because I do it all the time. So I was like, oh my God. So you look at me and go,
I just feel like I was going to dress up. Also, when I colour my roots at home, I just do the top. So I could never do half up, half down because there's like that much grey.
Yes.
I mean, there still is, but I'm really into it. Let us know how you go, Virginia. Particularly, I reckon try the air dry products because they're so good. And just go with the slick like I have today.
Agree.